Good morning to all. So today we are going to study about topic pronouns. What is pronoun? A word that is used to replace a noun is called pronoun. For example, he, she, it, you, they, etc. Now, types of pronoun. There are 8 types of pronoun. Personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun. So first of all, we are going to study about personal pronoun. The pronouns which are placed as a substitute for people or things are called personal pronouns. These are of 2 types, subjective and objective. This means that the pronoun can act either as a subject or for the object of the sentence. Now look at the example. Riya, Tanya, Ritu and Ananya were going to play badminton. Now these names can be replaced with they and the sentence will become they were going to play badminton. Now example 2. Can you please go to the market with Arpit? Now if we are going to replace noun with pronoun, then the sentence becomes can you please go to the market with him? In this sentence, Arpit is replaced with him. Now the next pronoun is possessive pronoun. The personal pronouns which indicate the possession of something are called possessive pronouns. They can be used both in singular and plural form. For example, this dress is mine. In this sentence, mine is possessive pronoun. Example 2, the books are there. In this sentence, theirs is possessive pronoun. Now the next is reflective pronoun. Pronouns like himself, myself, themselves, etc., where the action is being performed on oneself are called reflexive pronoun. For example, I decorated the room all by myself. She drove 500 kilometers by herself. In these examples, myself and herself are reflective pronoun. Now the next is indefinite pronoun. When the noun which is used to replace does not have a fixed name or number, then such nouns are replaced by indefinite pronouns. These include few, everyone, all, etc. For example, everyone has reached the concert. You bring me some apples. In these examples, everyone and some is indefinite pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Pronouns like who, where, which, whom, etc., which tend to ask a question are called interrogative pronoun. For example, which plant is this? Who went to the airport? In these examples, which and who are interrogative pronoun. Relative pronoun. The pronouns which are used to connect a clause or a sentence are called relative pronouns. For example, I watch which I bought was defective. Example 2. The man who came yesterday was a fraud. In this sentence, the word who is a relative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. The pronouns which describes or modify a thing or a person are called demonstrative pronoun. They can be both singular or plural. For example, these flowers are beautiful. This girl is very helpful. In these sentences, these and this are demonstrative pronoun. And last, an activity is given. Choose the correct pronoun from the given options. In these statements, you have to correctly identify the pronoun and write it in the box. Thank you.